Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to cancel LinkedIn Premium subscription. It's very simple tips and tricks. So let's start. So first of all, I will show you. I already log in my LinkedIn account and no need to go anywhere. You just simply open the Google and type here LinkedIn Premium subscription cancellation. Enter. So look at this here. The first link is display here. You just simply tap here. And accordingly you just follow this process. Even I already added this particular link in video description. You just simply log in your account. Afterwards click the link and the link come to this page, and afterwards you just simply click on the cancel button, and here the thank you for subscription, confirm the cancellation, yes of course. And why you are cancel the premium subscription, here some of the options, but I select here this is the temporary, submit, and boom, it's very simple to cancel as a LinkedIn Premium subscription. If you just follow this process and avoid upcoming month subscription charges. If you have any question, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.